This activity is an alternating kettlebell swing. It's going to use the same mechanics as our normal kettlebell swing, except we're going to be switching hands at the top. So once we reach the top with the hand, we're then going to use the opposite hand, hold on, and let that come down through that side, and we'll switch at the top each time. So it's going to look like this. We get our foot contacts, base of the big and little toe, and heel. We're going to inhale back as we shift back through the hips. We're going to exhale as we bring the hips through and let the kettlebell swing up with a single arm. Then we'll switch to the top. So it's going to look like this. Counter movement. Inhale back, exhale up, switch. Inhale back, exhale up, switch. So that is your alternating kettlebell swing.